Hey guys, what's up? This is not the right glue. I'm gonna be using my favorite, oh my gosh. Hey guys, what's up? It's Mac and Jack. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and checking out this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more DIY, fashion, and sewing videos. And once again, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much once again for watching this video. Today's video is going to be really quick, fun, and easy. And shocker, it is a Dollar Tree DIY video. You guys know how much I love doing these videos. In fact, I think I'm gonna start a Dollar Tree playlist on my channel. So if you haven't looked at all the other videos I've done, I will make a playlist so you can check that out. Because I'm obsessed with the Dollar Tree, I go at least once a week and I'm always looking for things to make crafts with or just get creative. So I found all this stuff here and I'm gonna show you what I got before we get started. So that way you can go and find this at your Dollar Tree, or I think you can purchase it online too if you want. The first thing I got were these chalkboard tags, which was my initial inspiration for this project. And there's 6 pieces in here, but they look a little thin, so I may layer these up. I'm not sure yet, but this is what they look like. And I'm actually gonna not use this string, but I just thought this is such a good blank canvas for a necklace idea. So I chose mermaid theme, which you guys know that I love mermaids and unicorns and all that stuff. And I don't know why I chose mermaid. I guess I was just inspired because I like mermaids and it's summer, and so yeah, I don't know. But you guys get creative with it. Choose whatever theme you want, whatever colors you want. The whole point of this is to just be creative, and it's just to give you ideas how you can make your own. So this project cost about $4. The only thing, well, actually maybe a little bit more, because the only thing I didn't get from the Dollar Tree is the ball chain. So the necklace part I did not get from there, but you can get ribbon to use for this if you would like to do that. So I just want to throw that out there. And the ball chains I got from AliExpress, and I will link that below this video so you can check that out, and it's super cheap. But the next thing I got from the Dollar Tree are these jewels and gems, and they're blue, so I thought it would match really pretty with the necklace. Then I got this headband, and I am going to add some of this stuff on the necklace. So I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do yet, but that's why I'm taking you guys with me, and we're just going to get creative and crafty and see what I come up with. Then I ended up getting this zipper pouch. It's a really holographic blue material. A lot cheaper than getting the material at the fabric store because you don't need a whole lot. So if you ever need a material to use, you can always look at stuff like this at the dollar store if you just need a little bit for something. And the glue I did not get from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using Fabri-Tac. This is a really good fabric glue, and it's also good for lace, glass, leather, wooden trims. So I figured that it's going to work out just fine for this project. So I want it to be strong and I want it to stay on there. So this is what we're using. You can get this at Joann. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this super easy DIY project. I've got all my materials laid out, and I have decided I want to layer these because they are extremely flimsy. So I'm gonna do 3 of these layered together. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue those. Okay, now that I've got that, I'm gonna take my zipper pouch and I'm going to cut enough for the circle. And it's actually not quite enough for this, so we're gonna have to get creative and figure out what to do. So I'm gonna go ahead, and it actually might be just enough, but I don't know, let's see. So I think it's actually going to be enough, which is awesome, but I do need to touch this up a little bit. So I'm actually going to glue it on, and then I'll go back and cut off all the excess fabric. So let's go ahead and do that. So while that dries, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the mermaid tail part. So I'm not sure if I want to use the seashells or not, but I do know I want to use this mermaid tail. So I'm going to just gently take it off here. Okay, perfect. And I think I am going to put it, let's see, maybe this way. I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna go ahead and trim this up, y'all, because it is drying up pretty quick. Let's move on now and go ahead and put this mermaid tail on. And for this part, I haven't punched the hole through yet, so just be careful where you put your little tail fin or whatever you decide to put on here. Make sure it doesn't block that little hole at the top. So I'm just gonna glue this on. Okay, now that I've got my mermaid tail on there, I'm gonna go ahead and punch my hole. And I'm just taking a small pin here and poking it through so I know where it is. It's probably not gonna look great, but not really sure what else to do. That should be enough to fit the ball chain through. We're gonna move on to the little gems. And I think I'm just gonna glue the little gems all around the necklace. Or all around the pendant, sorry. So here is the finished product, and I have to say I am very happy with it, and it was so much fun and so easy, and it's just such a good opportunity to get creative with stuff from the Dollar Tree, and also such a super cheap DIY if you wanted to make just a really cool necklace and you need it for if you need it for a special occasion or a costume or everyday wear like me. I really do like this, and of course it matches my outfit because you guys know from my closet that I like mermaid things. If you haven't seen my mermaid collection video, I will link that below so you can check that out. If you guys decide to do a Dollar Tree necklace, please let me know. I would love to see it. I want to see different ideas. I'm super happy with it, you guys. Like, I can't stop looking at it. It's so sparkly. Let me know what you guys thought about this video and this idea. If you like it, hate it, give me a thumbs up. If you liked it, give me a thumbs down. I don't care. It helps my channel either way if you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. So thank you so much for watching this video. Jack and I will see you guys next week for a DIY fashion or sewing video. We're not sure yet, but we will see y'all next week.